Wait, isn't he supposed to hate being showered at all costs? This is weird. I wonder if they are performing some kind of ritual. Cat isn't designed to do that, is it? Okay, that's much more reasonable. Cat's mood is like a roller coaster. It changes every second. You won't have a nice sleep, I swear.
Sorry.
Okay, according to everything I have seen, why are you the one who's mad, bro?
Alright, here's my cat. Do the thing, you know, with the likes and the shares, and make my cat famous.
Tell me, who hurt you, buddy? Oh, never mind. He's just dumb.
Stop, you're too cute.
Learning calisthenics is a bit too impressive for a kitten.
Bear! Bear, no! Leo, no! Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Bear! 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 I was just cleaning your litter box! No. God. Ooh.
Oh my god.
While his homies go hunting fishes, he was defeated by the toy fish. What a dummy!
No idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
The president who set aside this area as a national monument in 1909 to save the declining herds. Now,
When your girlfriend suddenly sets a boundary, don't cross it is the simplest rule.
Come here. Thank you.
They together can be an iconic duo in a movie about Cat's World. Well, there are lots of stories between boys that can't be revealed to you, girl.
No, you stop. That's my food.
Die Scottish folkpoes. Ja, deze niet zo mooi.
People often tell others to know the limit. Guess what? Besties have none. This must be a perfect catch, 'cause cat's so fast. Oh, never mind. Cats' fights are usually finding the stronger or more silly. Her owner would be so disappointed if she saw this, I promise. He will need a more specific lesson on how to open a bottle. Cats love chaos. They will act when you don't expect it the most. It's interesting that those pigeons can defeat him even when he's not there. Poop! Whoa, what? Is something wrong? I think I had a nightmare. Rule number 1, never sleep on the edge of the bed.
He's like, oh!
He won't fall into it, will he? Wow, the situation turns quickly. His future in IT major seems to be dark. Don't mind him, just a silly cat doing its daily routine.
You good there, Knox?
Oh my god.
Accept it, you will have a pretty stinky morning.
Get it, cat. Come on, cat, get it. Get it. The dog to get it. He wants it. The cat is useless. The cat is useless.
It depends on your cat, but yeah, let's not buy it.
Here's the first one. Hello.
Raising 2 cats with totally different hobbies is like hosting an international meet every day.
In my plan.
Are you done, dude? Hey, are you asleep already? Wake up! Never underestimate a cat with something like leaving a key being still inside the lock. Instead of running away like every other, he plays with it. Is that legal? One of the most normal situations I've seen so far.
What in the world? What happened? How did you do this?
Moment he stops rotating will definitely be hilarious. Told ya. My God, she looks so disappointed. That's right, girl. Forget him. Or not. Is this a way to lose weight even while drinking water? I have to write it down now.
In ancient times, cats were once worshipped as gods, and they have not forgotten.
I swear, once I find my cat food, you'll know my paws. Oh, wait! Is there anyone? No. Okay, let's continue. You've done a great thing. His dream is definitely wonderful.
Nope.
Man, that scene is like walking out from a movie. I will do this just once. Look closely. What are you looking at? He must be missing its owner so much.
What's she doing? Lady, you're so funny.
Cat stands there as if he's the main villain of a horror movie.
Hey! Excuse me? Excuse me?
Being on a diet isn't easy at all.
What do you think you're doing? Hey! Charlie?
Oh my God, the service here is so good. Cats' curiosity can sometimes drive them into danger.